Hey, what is happening, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, and in this video, I'm going to show you and explain to you, what is internet marketing, because you might have that question, and now in this video, I will answer that for you. So, pretty much, internet marketing is the promotion and selling of products and services on the internet, which is super, super cool. And really, to really get the idea across to you, I want to show you a little bit of a visual. But pretty much, how you go about doing it, you can do it in many different ways. So you can go about the way I'm going to show you, and this is the way I do it, is you can run an ad, then you can collect an email and someone's name and information, and then you can send them emails, and then you can send them to websites and promote products and services. So I'm going to show you in this step by step. So if you can see on the screen here, this is kind of like an ad that I ran, and there's all different types of ads you can do. You can do Google ads, you can do influencer ads, you can do pay-per-click, you can do display traffic, you can do all different types of advertising. So this is something that you do in internet marketing, is you do advertising. And this is an example of an influencer ad that I ran. And then I put my link below the video, and when someone clicks on their link, when someone clicks on this link, they go to the next step. So the next step is where I start to build me. So this is when someone comes here, and then the next part of like doing internet marketing is when you start to manage traffic. So traffic is visitors, and this is what we like to call it in the online space, is traffic. We call traffic visitors. Visitors we call visitors traffic. So when someone clicks on the link, so we do an ad, something similar to this here. You can do it all different types of way. You can do YouTube ads, you can do sponsored videos, you can do, like I said before, all different types of advertising. And then you bring someone to your landing page. So when they click on the link, they come to your landing page, and this is where you start to manage traffic. And there's different ways that you can manage traffic. So you can do it through retargeting and remarketing, which when someone lands on your website, you give them a little cookie, and then you can serve them ads that they see all over the internet. So if you've ever been to a website before, and you went to the website and then you leave, and then you start seeing ads for that website all over the place, this is kind of like an internet marketing strategy, which is called remarketing. And this is a cool little strategy that you want to implement as soon as someone comes to your website. So you've got remarketing, and then you've got collecting an email. So then you're building an email list. So this is a little example landing page that I have at the minute. I run at the minute, and these types of things change all the time. But when someone comes here, it says free video exposes this weird secret that lets you take these 2 steps to affiliate success, get instant access, and they click there, and it says enter your best email to learn how, and then they can enter the email. And when they enter that email, then they go into the next step. When they enter that email, then I can send them a different email. It says here's the info you requested. So these are the different types of things that you do. Also, when you're doing this type of thing, you're going to have like split testing. So when you're doing internet marketing, you're going to be split testing all the time. So this is one version of the page, and then I've got another version, and then another version, and then I'm split testing the 3 versions when traffic's coming in and people, and they can see which one's converting the best, which one people are giving me their email the most with. So then I can optimize that one, and then make another one and possibly make it better. So we want to have split testing in place, and this is like conversion optimization. And conversions is like different actions that people are taking along your process that you're doing internet marketing. So whenever you collect the email, you can send them emails. So this is the next strategy that you have with internet marketing, and there's other strategies as well with text messaging and other things, and there's so much. But keeping it simple, you run an ad, you collect some information, you manage your traffic, and then you can send emails. So you can send someone an email saying here's the info you requested. I just want to say thank you for checking out my website today. Watch the first video to the end. And they can click there, and they can go to the next step. So pretty much what internet marketing is the promotion and selling of products and services on the internet. But you can do it in loads of different cool ways. So this is like a little example of like a sequence. So you can have all this set up for ages, for like years, all these different emails that just go out automatically. It's crazy, but I wouldn't encourage you to put too much automation. I don't actually have this one running at the minute. I built it a while ago, but it's just I want to show you an example of what you can do. So these are all like individual emails. So this one goes out day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9, 10, 11, on and on and on. There's loads of them that just keeps going. So it just keeps going. But then you can send them emails and you can bring them back to your main website, which is like your hub. And this is where you can build a brand. And this is where people come back again and again and again, where they know you, they get to know you, like trust you, all this types of stuff. And then you can do little cool things and like do like produce value pieces where you educate people. So you want to build like an authority. So it's like an authority. How do you know someone's like an authority? They wear a uniform, or they publish stuff. So you want to publish stuff, and then you can, depending on what your niche is. Say if you're in the cleaning niche, you want to publish stuff that prove that you're like credible and things like this here about what you do and you know what you're doing. So this is like different parts of internet marketing. So you want to be building value pieces and creating value so you can bring people back to a brand. And this is like a little process that I have in place for my business. And then there's all different ways that you can do it. So you'll get good at writing different types of emails, and then you'll be getting good at creating automation in your business, and then you'll be making systems like this here and creating value. So this is all different parts of internet marketing. And like I said, for the third time now, it's like internet marketing is the promotion and selling of products and services on the internet. And then on your brand, say you've got products and you have resources. For an example, you could have something like that there. You can have multiple products. So this is what you want to incorporate as well, is you will have multiple streams of income within your internet business. And if you're doing it for other people and things like that there, you can also do internet marketing for other businesses. So someone could have you come in and do their internet marketing for them, and they will pay you good money, because with internet marketing, you're in control of a lot of stuff. And it's really, really cool because, like it says here in my story, that's being the rainmaker. So you're kind of like being the rainmaker. So you go out there and run ads and drive traffic and bring people to your website and drive sales for businesses. So this is really, really cool because, if you can do that for business and you're really good at internet marketing, you can pretty much make whatever types of money you want. So it's like, if, for an example, you're working with a business and you're in control of the marketing and you're really good at marketing, so you can charge whatever you want as long as you're really, really good at it. So this is really, really cool, and it's well worth mastering these types of things like advertising, conversion optimization, and database management, emails and copywriting, and building websites. So it's super, super cool. I love it, my friend. And hope you enjoyed this video and you understood, what is internet marketing. And I'll see you again in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.